How to delete a file in Linux. Hello and welcome to Program Guru. In this tutorial, you will learn how to delete a file in Linux using the terminal. The command used to delete a file is rm. rm stands for remove. The basic syntax is simple. rm space file name. Let us see one example. Open the terminal. Now list the files in the current directory. In the output, we have a file named notes.txt. We are going to remove this file. To delete notes.txt, run the command rm space notes.txt. Press enter. When the command is successful, Linux normally does not display any message. Run ls again. Notes.txt is no longer listed. The file has been deleted. You can also delete a file by providing its path. For example, if notes.txt is inside a directory named documents, use the command rm space documents/notes.txt. Run ls documents. The file has been deleted. We have a file named old space notes.txt. Let us delete this file. If the file name contains spaces, place the file name inside quotation marks. rm space in double quotes old space notes.txt. The file has been deleted. For additional safety, you can use the lowercase I option. rm space -i space notes.txt. Linux asks for confirmation before deleting the file. Type Y to confirm or N to cancel. Remember that files deleted with the rm command are normally removed immediately. They are not moved to the trash. Always check the file name before pressing enter. That is how you delete a file in Linux. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more Linux tutorials.